Hey, Austin, what are we doing today?
Picking the winners.
Picking the winner to our Sergeant Stubby giveaway. And I noticed that you're hugging all of them. Well, most of them. You want to keep them, don't you? Oh. We're picking 4 winners today to give away a plushie, the movie, also a Frisbee, a Sergeant Stubby Frisbee, and also a Sergeant Stubby, what are these called?
Bandana.
Bandanas. I want one of these.
I want everything.
You want all of it, don't you?
Yeah.
Are you going to help me announce all of the winners?
Yeah.
Okay, but before we do that, we got to tell our art friends that they're awesome.
You're awesome.
Yes, you are. All of you are amazing artists, and we wish we could give you all prizes, but we only have 4.
Yeah.
Enough for 4 winners. All right, you ready to pick the winner?
Yeah.
Okay, the first one is a family of 3 kids, and their names are?
Owen, Addie,
And Emmett. Emmett. Yeah, good job. You did awesome. It's kind of hard to remember all 3 of their names. But look at their drawings. They did a great job, didn't they?
Yeah.
Can you tell them they're awesome?
You're awesome.
Yeah, you guys are. We loved all of your drawings. You guys did a great job. So congratulations on being our first winner. Okay, now our second winner is 2 sisters. Their names are Lydia and also Santa Vivian. And can you tell which one's Santa? The one on the right? Yeah, she's got stuff taped to her face. She's got a mustache and a beard, just like Santa.
Yeah.
Now you guys did such a great job also, and we especially love the backgrounds that they added to their drawings.
Yeah.
Congratulations on being our second winner. Okay, now the third winner is actually both the third and the fourth winner because they're friends, and they worked on this project together, and their names are?
Gabe and Isaac.
Gabe and Isaac. I love that Gabe added our little logo next to Sergeant Stubby, and he also added World War I down at the bottom, and then Isaac drew his really big. It fills the whole page.
Yeah.
So cool. Congratulations on being our third and fourth winner. Now parents, be sure to message us privately on Instagram with your shipping address so we can get these prizes sent out to you as soon as possible, especially before Christmas.
Yeah.
And we also want to thank who?
Paramount Pictures.
Paramount Pictures. Thanks you guys for giving us this awesome opportunity to give away fun stuff to our art friends. Now be sure to tell all of our art friends that we love them.
We love you.
Yes, we do. We love you guys so much. We'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.